Yeah. Yeah, these are very, very delicious. So, yeah. First step, you have to wash your hands. So you guys, we are making vegetable pot pies. We have pastry shells, frozen mixed vegetables, butter, a lot of pepper, a little bit of salt, and cream of chicken. So yeah, and then we need bowls,
spoon and knife.
Yeah, a spoon and a knife.
Towel.
And
a pizza sheet.
Yeah, pizza sheet.
Okay. Ask your mom to preheat your oven to 420 degrees.
Now let's get started. So first you're gonna need the bag, and then and then you have to pour it in the bowl. Butter, and then the knife, and then by the way, you have to take off the paper too. Cut the butter in half.
Make sure there's an adult around because knives can be dangerous.
Yeah. And then you're gonna get half of the butter and put them in the vegetables.
Put this over the side.
Oh yeah, you're gonna move that to the side. Save that for later.
So ask your parents to put the vegetables inside the microwave for 2 minutes.
Be careful because it's very, very hot, so be careful. What you're gonna do, you're gonna stir it and then add 1/4 cup of a pepper, and then you're gonna add a teaspoon of salt. So we're gonna get the spoon, then you're just gonna stir it. And be careful because it's hot, it's very, very hot. Oh, you can stir it?
I did.
I'll hold the bowl. Okay, so we're gonna add the pepper.
Vegetables. No, add the pepper. Add the pepper.
Oh my gosh, it's a lot of pepper.
Whoa! It's getting peppery.
Say so. Can I stir now? So what you're gonna do, you're gonna get the cream of chicken and then put it into the second bowl.
Do the other one, please.
No, I have to.
I'm gonna start.
So you're just gonna stir the cream of chicken. So you're gonna just stir it.
Let's make some chicken.
I'm just gonna turn it like this.
I love chicken, but I put barbecue sauce on it. But
Yeah, it's time to put it in.
so we're pouring here.
Yeah. So you guys, what you have to do, you have to stir it, and then what I'm gonna
Really slow.
Yeah, and then after this, we are gonna add this into the
Okay,
spoon.
it's time to add. It's time to
Oh!
add.
Okay,
I'm gonna hold this spoon. It's time to add.
okay. You have to put the whole thing in it. So you're gonna take this out. We already put some in there accidentally, but I'm gonna put that there, and then I'm gonna add that in.
We almost got all of it.
It's okay.
Well, this looks like it's
See, look, now it's more fuller. It's gonna waste everywhere.
Hey, I
This
think
is
this
Raja.
vegetable.
Oh my goodness.
Ah, vegetable cream.
So what you're gonna do, you're gonna get the bowl and then
I'm gonna
put it in here so we don't really need it anymore. And then we are gonna start very, very slowly.
I'm trying to cover it all.
And then we are gonna
Yeah.
take it out the shells. Okay, so they're coming in little itty bitty packs.
Get everybody in. We're gonna drown.
They can only put two in there, two in each pack, so it's like an even
Oh, we don't
number.
want to be eaten. Please don't eat us. Sorry, we're gonna eat.
Okay, that's
We're
8.
hungry.
That's 2, 4, 6,
We
8.
don't want to be eaten.
Oh yeah, and before we do it, make sure to do it a little bit past halfway, you guys. Make sure about that. So yeah.
It's time to do it, so I'm gonna get a little bit.
You gotta be careful. Make sure to do this. Oh. Gotta do my
Is this
hair
enough
up.
for Lena?
There we
No,
go.
this is not enough.
Okay, one. So you're gonna ask your parents to put it in the oven and bake it for
10
about 10 minutes in the oven. And then put the extras into the
Refrigerator.
yeah, the refrigerator. Because you can't waste stuff like that. Make sure that your parents put it into the middle rack. So you guys, what you're gonna do, you're gonna ask your parents to take it out the oven, and then you're gonna let it chill for 10 minutes here while the other one is warming up in the oven. And then you're gonna have to wait another 10 minutes for that one to cool down. And then we can eat that one. So yeah. Now that it's cool, we can enjoy. It doesn't really matter how messy it is, just how good it is.
Hot. Kind of hot.
It's good.
Guys,
Thank you for watching this video. We hope you try this recipe at home. We love you. Bye.